guys, it's Emily here. So I just came back from filming a Christmas Night for Christmas ornament little video and decorating. So that's why I have my Santa hat on. But I'm gonna unbox a really cool thing for you guys. Sally's Potions like container. It could be for jewelry, accessories, whatever you want it to be. So I actually had this before Halloween and I actually never opened it. I don't know why, but I'm gonna open it. It's just because I really don't have a place to put them, so that's why I kind of just kept them here. My mom gave it to me. So yeah, but I'm gonna unbox it for you guys because I've been wanting to make this video, just haven't had the time. So here I am making this video. So let's undo it. My mom, I did see these before because my mom actually bought them for herself as well. So I did see them in person, but I haven't unboxed my own. So let's see. So they are made of glass. You can see that are making a lot of noise. I'm just going to put them down for right now and show you guys when I lift them up. So here's Warm Roth. And it has like a little suction cup thing on it. So that's really nice. So it doesn't like, it stays pretty good on. And then it has a lot of empty space, so you can keep a lot in here. So here's Warm Roth bottle. And then let's go to a Frog's Breath. Let me put the lid on better. The lid's a little bit crooked, but I think I got it. So here is Frog's Breath. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's hard to see it because these bottles are really shiny. So that's Frog's Breath. And then of course we have Deadly Nightshade. And here's Deadly Nightshade in here. You can do a lot of things in here. Like you could put like little flowers in them, or like jewelry, or like legit anything that you can think of. You can even put like salt and pepper in here if you really want to. I think these are really cute. They could be used for so many things, like even if you just want to do decorations or whatnot. So I think these are like really super great, and I think this stuff will make such a perfect Christmas gift for anyone because I know they still sell them. They kept getting off online constantly during Halloween, but now they seem like they have them like haven't sold out of them. So definitely go and grab yourself one because I think this will be so perfect for anyone who loves Night for Christmas, loves Sally, and also if you love it too, you can get it for yourself. Like hello, you can get Christmas presents for yourself too. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please keep an eye out for my next videos. Thank you guys.